Hey there, Dane. This is Alex with Advanced Digital Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you three different things that you can use to actually help bring in more customers to your business through your website and online marketing. So, most likely you're sitting there wondering, why am I doing this? What's in it for me, kind of thing. I've found that by a great way to start off a relationship with a local business owner is by providing value right out the gate. Okay. And not to mention, the majority of business owners are too busy running their business on the day to day to learn how the internet can actually benefit them and bring in more customers to their business. Um, Sometimes the only hesitation that you may have really is by finding out who's an expert and who isn't, right? Who actually knows what they're doing here. So I found by giving you a free, easy attack plan of actual things that you can do yourself, technically, to impact your business, for free. It's resulted in some of these business owners, saying, okay, maybe this guy Alex knows what he's doing. I like him. I'll go ahead and I'll let him do this for me. Okay. And if by the end of this video, you like what I've heard or like what you've heard, and what I've said, then I'd love to help you out. Just let me know. Obviously, I got a few tricks up my sleeve that can help you rank at the top of Google here. Shoot me a message. We can chat. So I'll get straight to the point here. I'm going to give you three different things. This is a free attack plan that you can do yourself if you wish to do so. Three different things, starting off with number one. It's going to be content. So content is, right here. So just words. Okay, carpet, rugs, tile, grout. So you got some content here about your sanitizing service, deep clean service. There we go. Okay. Okay. So it looks like you got some blog posts here, maybe. I would advise that we would use this content to be on your homepage. But no, I mean, it works as a blog post too. We can get the blog ranking even too. But the first thing is first is to get your homepage ranking. We're going to need about 1,000 to 1,500 words based on how many keywords we want to target. What I've found is looks like you're probably going to want to target about 8 to 10 different keywords, and I'm going to go over those with you right now. This is a tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. So through your website in there, and what it does is it shows you the keywords that you're ranking for, the traffic. So obviously we're not ranking for any traffic. And here's the keywords I want to go over with you. So look, rug cleaning Orange County gets 350 searches a month. Carpet cleaning Orange County, California, 350. Upholstery cleaning, 250. Okay, that's a lot. That's a lot of volume searches we're missing out on. 100. That's almost just about 1,000 words. Okay, so or 1,000 searches, I should say. And your top competitor, I'm taking you to them. It's Carpet Cleaning OC Pros. This is your top local competitor. And how I say that is when you look up Carpet Cleaning Orange County, which is a search term we want to rank for. So right here you have the Google ads. Okay, and I'll talk to you about those in a minute. This is the Google Map Hack. So look, this is technically your top competitor. It's Yelp. Okay, but we're going to skip Yelp, and Carpet Cleaning OC Pros is in fact your top local competitor. So they're positioned at number 3, and I'll show you how their site looks. Maybe you already know. I'm pointing out the obvious, but here you go. So look, they don't even have 1,000 or 1,500 words, right? They got about 400, 500. Okay, so I'm giving you three different things that if you hit these targets, you'll be beating your competitors by so much you're going to rank. It's only a matter of time, a matter of few months or so, right? Depending on the keywords and their difficulty. I'll talk to you more about that. But so I threw these guys, Carpet Cleaning OC Pros, in there. You can look right here, and this is Ahrefs again. This tool I use, it's for lots of different things. It's only about $100, $150 a month, depending on your package that you're using. So you can click on the organic keywords. Look, they're ranking for that exact term I was talking about. Carpet cleaning, Orange County, 350 searches. Carpet cleaning Orange, so they're in the city of Orange. Orange County carpet cleaners, that one only gets 20. But see, this all adds up. Look at all these search terms that they're ranking for. And you can see where they're positioned at right here, okay? They're in the top ranking right here, and they're getting lots of volume, a lot of traffic here. This is what the traffic they're getting every month. See, 120 a month, okay? That's a lot of traffic we could be getting. So, you know, obviously you're not yet ranking for any keywords, which is something we want to fix, right? And we can easily do that by using some of these keywords that I have checked off right here. Upholstery cleaning, Orange County carpet cleaning, and we put these words a few times in your website content and have about 1,000 to 1,500 words. It's really going to help, and Google will crawl through your website and it'll recognize you for those words. And you'll become relevant as a carpet cleaning business in Orange County. So, moving on, I'm going to move on to citations. And citations are going to help you rank for your Google Map Pack right here, okay? So when someone looks up carpet cleaning Orange County and they're around your area, I believe you guys are in Costa Mesa. So when they're around the Costa Mesa area, you'll show up at the top. Google Map Pack is more for depending on where someone is at the moment. So how you rank on the Google Maps is going to be with citations. So this is another tool I use. It's called whitespark.ca, and I want to show you what a citation is. It's the business name, address, and phone number, okay? Usually you have the address on here. I'm sure you know. Watch, so let's say best price carpet cleaning. So they got the name, address should be somewhere around here. Sometimes people make it to where they can't show it. But whatever, okay? Yelp is a perfect example. See, yeah, here's you guys, right? This one's you guys. Yeah, Deeply Carpet Cleaning, okay? So you have the name, address, and phone number. I call it the NAPS, okay? Name, address, phone number. You're familiar with Yelp, obviously. This is Whitespark. This isn't to show you which are competitors. So you have 16 citations. Your top competitor for rug cleaning is 37. And that's for rug, carpet, and upholstery. The top search terms that you service, okay? So you have, again, 16, they have 37. I always tell my clients, let's just beat them by a landslide. So let's not just get 38 total and beat them by one. Let's just get like 50 or 60 more. So we beat them by a landslide. You get 50 more, you got 66. Okay, you're almost nearly double what they have. And they don't know what hit them, right? You're going to be so far ahead they can't even catch up. And you'll be ranking on that map pack sooner than later. So you can see right here that you're not, for example, you don't have a citation on Facebook.com, okay, on Manta.com, YouTube. You can copy whatever they have and go in there and type up your info, okay? Not all of them are free. I also have a database of a bunch of free citations. I can help you out with that as well. So boom, that's how we rank. And I wanted to go over your map pack, Deeply Carpet Cleaning. So we got to fix this a bit, okay? We got to add hours. We got to add some photos. So map pack is not just citations. It's citations, photos, and the photos have to be optimized, saved as keywords, okay? And then we have to, maybe get some Google reviews. Reach out to your past clients. I have some templates that are great, very effective for getting these reviews. And, it reminds people, oh yeah, I remember when they clean my carpet, or maybe they're a regular, right? Maybe they use you guys. I noticed you have a service, right? A monthly service, right? A weekly buy. So any of those guys, I'm sure they'd love to give you a review, right? So that'll help you rank on the Google Maps, and I'd love to help you out with that as well. So next thing I want to move on to is backlinks. So that's the third thing I want to cover with you. Very important aspect to Google. Okay, we call this, it gives your site authority. So I like to call it link juice. Okay, And obviously, when we could tell when we're looking at carpet cleaning Orange County or rug cleaning Orange County, right? Let's go rug cleaning Orange County. We're not at the top there, and I wanted to show you that too, even, okay? So your top competitor for that, let's show you what Yelp gets, okay? I already did that ahead of time. Let me show you how much volume Yelp receives for rug cleaning. Yeah, see, so Yelp, rugcleaning.com. Okay, so it says 0 there, but here's what it actually is. Look, you can see there, 93 a month, okay? So not only are we missing out on those carpet cleaning searches, but we're missing out on the rug cleaning, okay? So 350, right? Break down the math for you a little bit. If they get about 93 a month, okay, let's say half of them call you, even if, so half is what, 45, about 46, and let's say half of them get an estimate, that's 23, and let's say 15 of them book a job. Even just right there, those are searches you're not getting before, that I'm helping you bring to it. So that just goes to show you that this, this isn't something you're paying for to make your, it pays for itself. Okay, it really does. And I hope that helps you a little bit. I'm sure you already know, but sometimes you need a couple little things to help you out a little bit. Just realize that, wow, this could actually really help me out. So backlinks, I'm sorry, I'm going to go into that with you right now. We obviously want to be at the top, and the way that link juice works is you have one site, let's say it's site A, and it's pointing to your site, site B. Site A is acting as link juice, okay? That's giving site B more authority. Your site, in Google's eyes, it's giving it more authority, almost like a popularity contest, okay? You can even think of like jumper cables. So you have the car that works, that's site A. You have your website or the car that's battery's dead. You have hook them together and it powers it up and boom, there you go, right? So not only that, however, we also want websites that are relevant, okay? They have to be relevant to cleaning, to carpet cleaning, to upholstery, hardwood cleaning, right? They have to be relevant. And that's very important because trust me, I've taken on people's websites where they try to do it themselves, and there's all kinds of things that just make no sense. There's no point to have it pointing to you because you're not, it doesn't help you. Google wants to recognize, okay, this is a carpet cleaning website. Let's have something that's relevant to carpet cleaning pointing to your website to make you realize, oh, yeah, maybe they are a part of Orange County carpet cleaning. Okay, and so on and so forth. So here's again Carpet Cleaning OC Pros. These are your top competitors. And what you could do is look, backlinks. So that's what I'm talking about, the link juice or referring domains. So you click on the referring domains, and this is called, I call it the copycat method. You could literally go here, see, look, cleaningtalk.com. That obviously relevant to cleaning, okay? So you could literally go here and click on every link and type up your info, okay? Some of them, I like to say, not all backlinks are created equal. There's directories like Yelp or look, Top Rated Local, I know them. Those are directories, right? And then there's blog posts. So like this one, right? Belly Challenges, Blogspot. Okay. Carpet tiles. So these are blogs, okay? Carpet Depot near me. Sorry, it's loading slow. Okay, you get the point. So those are, I'm sure you know what a blog is anyways. And then there's guest posts, okay? These are basically like articles. I have access as well to a blog database, I should say, a private network almost, with different digital marketers that I've partnered up with and have networked with. And we've purchased large websites, domains that have maybe expired, but they're very relevant in Google's eyes, okay? So here's an example. So Deep Carpet Cleaning, this is you guys. And then here's Carpet Cleaning OC Pros. So this ratio right here, this is the power, and this is the trust that Google gives it. Okay, the website. As you can see, your website is not ranking for any of that. It doesn't have any power or trust right now, and it's because there's no links going back to it. See, no data, no data. Look what they have. See, so the more trust or more power that these links have, the more these ratios will improve. So basically, these links that I have that you could rent out are very powerful, and they're well established, authoritative in Google's eyes. Here's a little example. This is so Ahrefs rank. This website is ranked 19,700,000 of all websites in Google. Okay, and these websites that I could use to put your website link on and to use as link juice, power, and trust to your site are ranked at 1 million and below. And this one, keep in mind, is already ranking at the top for carpet cleaning. Look at their keywords, their traffic. Okay, so this is much better, millions times better of a website to be pointing to you. So that's just another tool we could use that I have access to that'll quickly help you boost to the top of Google. So yeah, I think I went over enough stuff, talked a bit much. Usually try not to go over 15 minutes. But we went over three things. Content, we're going to want about 1,000, 1,500 words. We're going to want some more citations. I say about 50, 60 more. And then we're going to want relevant websites that are pointing back to you guys. So Google sees that you as authority, right? And it recognizes you and knows you. So, if you implement these strategies today, you can actually become #1 across Google after just a short period of time. You can either go with this information, that I provided you today and use it for yourself, and I'm completely fine with that. I'm cool with that. However, if you want a more effective route and want to save yourself some time, some headache, go ahead and give me a call. You can call me at 949-649-6093. That's 949-649-6093. I appreciate you giving me a shot here. Again, I'm Alex with Advanced Digital Marketing. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Have a good one.